Hi everybody! Welcome to Halifax, Nova Scotia. Today we're exploring the port on a do-it-yourself walking tour. This was from our summer 2025 Canada, Greenland, and Iceland cruise on the Norwegian Star. Like us, you might not want to book excursions here because the downtown area and the boardwalk are only about 15 to 20 minutes walk from the pier. Outside the terminal, we passed the Canadian Museum of Immigration at Pier 21. There's a hop-on, hop-off bus, which could be a good option for you if you prefer not to do too much walking, especially the uphill part to the Citadel. We wanted to go in the Halifax Seaport Farmers Market, which is in the same plaza as the cruise terminal, but it was closed for the day.
On the weekends.
Oh,
That's right.
Only on weekends.
That kind of makes.
The Harbourwalk is a long wooden boardwalk along the water. And here's a look at the Harbourwalk map. Further down, there's public seating with hammocks and chairs facing the ocean. We also passed the Salt Yard, which has food kiosks and an outdoor beer garden. Oh yeah, that's steamboat, right? Next on the path are museum ships. This is the HMCS Sackville. The sign says that it's the last World War II Corvette, and you can see the gun turrets from the boardwalk. Which one?
CSS what was the ship?
Acadia. A little further down is the CSS Acadia, an old surveying ship. Next, we decided to walk away from the water and up into the downtown streets.
Province.
We passed St. Paul's Church, which was built in 1749. Then we started to climb up Citadel Hill. We did not pay to go inside the fort, but the perimeter gives you a clear
That's
view
another
of
good
the
picture.
town clock and harbor. We saw a guard in traditional garbs at the entrance. From the Citadel, it's a few blocks to the Halifax Public Gardens, which are free to enter. We walked the gravel paths and saw the bandstand in the center.
It's an interesting tree. That one's a marble. The one we saw earlier. Right. You're a friendly duck. They don't seem scared of humans.
Bottom around the sword. These are the yeah.
We don't have ducks in our backyard.
We spent some time looking at the flower beds and statues, like this one of Ceres.
I like those Japanese maple. River plantation. That's the way they ripped it out. Is there like, did they have to?
Heading back to the ship near the terminal area, we passed the Samuel Cunard statue. Inside the cruise terminal, there's an indoor market set up for cruise passengers.
some liquor now. No, well, not yo.
We looked at local souvenirs, including glass bottles of maple syrup and regional hot sauce. Overall, we had an enjoyable time strolling the streets of Halifax. What do you think? Would you climb Citadel Hill, relax in the Halifax Public Gardens, or hang out at the boardwalk? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to check out our other content from our Canada, Greenland, and Iceland cruise. See the link in the description. Thank you very much, happy cruising, and we'll see you soon in the next video.